Are you glued to your social media screens, scrolling aimlessly or repeatedly? We've all been there, but guess what? Changing those habits doesn't require a complete lifestyle change. Our brains are like clever tricksters. Every time we indulge in a bad habit, they throw a happy chemical party. It's like a reward for something bad. That's why quitting cold turkey is so tough. Our brains crave that reward feeling. But wait, there's a way to outsmart those sneaky brain tricks. Here's the key to changing your habits without all the struggle. Step 1. Catch those triggers. What makes you fall back on your bad habit? Feeling stressed? Seeing your phone first thing in the morning? Identify those sneaky triggers. They're the first step to breaking the cycle. Step 2. Swap it, don't stop it. Here's the easy part. You don't have to completely ditch the habit. Just swap it for something simpler. Scrolling mindlessly? Try a quick call with a friend instead. Snacking out of boredom? Grab some fruit instead. Easy, right? Step 3. Reward yourself. This is where things get even better. Celebrate your wins no matter how small. Resisted the urge to scroll? Treat yourself to a healthy snack. These mini rewards keep your brain happy and on track. Remember, change takes time and everyone has slip-ups. Don't beat yourself up. Just get back on track with the easy method. You've got this.